Pelo amor de Deus, bicho. Eu pisei no pé do meu.
Oh no.
On our way to Halloween Horror Night, yeah!
We're here, yeah!
What's up, old man?
Hey, what's up, Nico?
Chill.
Get over here!
Study here, man.
Alright. I say,
Are you homeless? Here's some clothes for you.
Oh, thank you. Bro, who clothes these is?
My nephew.
This stink. It's like ass.
Nah, bruh.
Oh my god, focus. Focus. Only your expectations can slow you down. What the fuck?
We're going back! Smaller head actually is an adaptation to stronger muscles. So the shorter jaw muscles are, the better that bite is. This guy's one of the best predators in the wild. When he actually sees something he wants to eat.
Wait, what?
Connor, the fuck are you doing?
Coming, Lieutenant.
all large electronics go in the bin. Come on in, put your hands up. Damn, that includes your Roomba. How did you even pack? Oh, that bag's good, keep going. Your child gonna be crying this whole time? Or I don't care if you're Emirates, get in this line. Wait here. Hi, you've been randomly selected. You gotta go. No? Okay, go ahead. Hi, we have a missing item in TSA. Sir, put your flip-flops back on.
Literally.
Can we talk about when a good man's heart is broken? He will remain single for years later. But why? Because society and everyone else in his world, including himself, blames him. And after experiencing that much pain and guilt and blame, it takes a long time to want to be able to risk that again.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
Are you good?
I'm okay. I'm alright.
Okay.